What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Altcoin Buzz. So today we're going to go over 7 altcoins under $1 that are on my radar and that you may consider adding to your watch list. So the first one that we're going to talk about is Moneta. So Moneta is a payment solution for merchants. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here. So it hit the market early September. Rose, then you saw it rose to 39 cents, sold off. It's been going down ever since then. So the ICO, it opened up around about 22 cents, went to 37 cents. It's now at 14 cents. So it appears to have found some sort of resistance here, and it's kind of plateauing. So 14 cents, I'm watching it at this price. Let's go ahead and check the markets that it's traded on. You get it on Ether Delta, hit BTC, Coin Exchange, Tidex. Okay. Check their website. You can get more information. Finally, a commerce that is trusted globally. Welcome to an efficient payment solution for merchants that enables global, trustful commerce, decentralized, empowered by the Ethereum blockchain. You can go through this website, get to know a little bit more about this. And yeah, it's sort of in a way like 10x, right? So this is just a cheaper solution to 10x. 402 million will be in supply. So this could be, assuming these guys are a real business and not just an ICO to make some money, this could be an excellent price to buy Moneta. All right, the next one, Golem. All right, they want to be the world's largest supercomputer. Quite an ambitious undertaking, isn't it? Let's take a look at the charts. So this one, it hit the market at about a penny, went below a penny, and then climbed up as high as 61 cents, 67 cents. And that was in May, and now it's back down, and it's finding some resistance here at around 24 cents. So yet again, you know, at this price, it's on my radar as a buying opportunity. You'll notice it hasn't really gone any lower. 23 cents hasn't gone below 23 cents. So 24 cents, 23 cents, I mean, it's a buying opportunity. It would be nice if it goes up to 36 cents, and it's already shown that it kind of has that ability to pop. So Golem, they want to be the world's largest supercomputer. You can pick it up on Bittrex, Poloniex, Cryptopia, lots of different wallets here, or lots of different exchanges. Let's take a look at the website. Golem, worldwide supercomputer. Golem is the new way the internet will work. Golem is a global open source decentralized supercomputer that anyone can access. It's made of a combined power of users' machines from personal laptops to entire data centers. You can go through Golem's website, check it out. You guys might actually find some stuff in there that makes you want to pick up a couple tokens here, a couple coins. There's going to be 1 billion in circulating supply. Yet again, at this price, could be an excellent opportunity to pick up potentially the world's largest supercomputer on the blockchain here early on. So, you never know. It's been around, it's been around for a while, so it doesn't appear to be going anywhere. It's almost a year old. Next one, Patientory. So here we go. Patientory, they want to put medical records on the blockchain, make it more secure for medical records. Look at this. It's just finding resistance right around this price range. It hasn't, it's a long-term hold. You're not going to be finding yourself, don't find yourself expecting to make a short-term profit real quick on this. But I will say, at any given point, you could see it go from 37 to 162, wouldn't that be amazing if you bought a bunch of, if you invested if you invested $100 and watched it pop up, 5-fold, 10-fold. Only 100 million in circulating supply, or circulating supply of 70 million. Total supply will be 100 million. This could be huge though. So, $1.62 could be even low. We could be talking about a $10, $20, $30 coin at some point. I do not know that exact answer, but yet again, we're adding it to our watch list. You can pick it up on these market exchanges: Bittrex, Liqui, Ether Delta, Hit BTC. Let's check out their website. Making healthcare secure. Patient-oriented is an easy way to securely store and manage health information in real time. Guys, go through this website, check it out, check out the team, get familiar with this company. Their technology is relevant in a highly useful niche. A field like medical, this is big time. I like this one. I'm adding it to my watch list, and I actually hold these positions in all of these, so it's not like I'm just shooting from the hip here. I'm actually taking the next step to invest. I don't know what you guys are going to do, but this one here is great. All right, rivets. This one I participated in the ICO. It's brand new. It just hit the market in late September. And these guys, they're like vault protections for your hardware, like your cell phone, your computer. So, in this day and age, talking about hackers, two-party authentications, these guys are really interesting. You're going to want to check them out, learn a little bit more about them on their website here. I mean, they still got the token information up. But Rivets aims to deliver provable cyber controls for you to use while accessing your services, the services you use daily with decentralized trust model. We can help you easily access services securely without relying on third-party apps to have proper measures in place. Register your device, verify your device. This is a security application here. So Rivets, check them out. They just hit the market. They've already gone through the ICO phase that we've been seeing lately, where people pump it and then they pull, and then it pulls back. It could continue to pull back, but that's why I'm saying put these on your watch list. Let's take a look. It's still early on to see if there's going to be more of a sell-off, I would say. But even at 53 cents, you could wait for this one to pull back a little bit more. I don't see it moving anywhere too fast in the upward direction. But at this price, you might wait for it to drop a little bit. Like I said, I participated in the ICO, and from what we've been seeing with many of the ICOs, people pump it, get the interest, and then it pulls back, and then it sits, and then they wait for a new technology to, some sort of marketable news, and then it just shoots up, and then more people join in on something like this. You would hate to hear of a hack or something, but in a case like that, something like this all of a sudden becomes very relevant. I'm not investing in it to hope that something happens as a security. I'm saying that this is just great protection for your hardware. And Rivets, take a look. Like I said, you might be able to buy it a little bit cheaper here the next couple weeks, but you could at least get your initial position here and move in later. 200 million total supply. Yes, you could be looking at a nice size coin here, nice size token. I don't know, we'll see. 200 million is not a lot. All right, Bitquince. I've already talked about this one on previous videos. This one's been, I've just been very excited as it's continued to drop. This one, when it had its ICO, it stayed fairly level, And then, this is something you'd hope to see with rivets, right? So you'd get rivets at its, ICO price. It plateaus for a month, and then all of a sudden, bingo, right? What a gain that would be. I don't see that happening with rivets, but you see with Bitquince. So now it's already hit up there. It's doing what it normally does. It hits a high, pulls back. It's finding resistance around 60 cents, 62 cents here. This coin, 22 million in total circulating supply. This one here, it's basically a new economy for everybody to come together, for everyday people. It's going to make blockchain easy for everyday people, is what their aim is, essentially. Let's take a look at their website. It's a very user-friendly type of financial cryptocurrency marketplace. Our mission is to make the daunting cryptocurrency market accessible to everyone, accelerate adoption of blockchain technology, and democratize ownership of cryptocurrencies. Bitquince harnesses the power of design, technology, and social intelligence to create a breakthrough solution that will enable everyone to participate in the new economy. This, at the very least, is an incredible tool that can bring more people in, and that is what is needed to really take cryptocurrency to the next level. So at the very root of it all, this is an excellent tool for people, for us here as investors. If we go from 1% adoption to 10% adoption, just imagine what that will do to the entire cryptocurrency marketplace. So, yeah, at this price, I like it at this price. I hope it stays here, because I'm going to keep throwing money at this one. Again, do what you want. This is just my experience. I'm sharing with you what I'm doing. Bitquince. Take a look at that one. Oh, where can you pick it up? Binance, Coin Exchange, Ether Delta. Did I do that for rivets? Let's make sure I Ether Delta and hit BTC. Obviously, when it comes on to when this one comes on to Bittrex or Poloniex or Binance, this one's going to also pick up more adoption. No one knows about rivets right now, so at that price, I mean, look at that. Enjoy it. Take advantage of it. Is what I did. So, iota. This one is exciting because it is they call it the economy of things using Tangle Ledger. What is that? That's different than the blockchain. So this one's the only one who's using Tangle. And if we just look at their chart, they've had some push-ups, and at this price, it's a safe price, 55. It doesn't appear to be going any lower than 53, 55. At this price, it's a safe buy. I mean, you might be able to wait till it goes into the 40s again, but there's no guarantee it's going back that low. 55 is a great price here. So you can pick it up on Bitfinex, Binance, Iota Exchange. Iota. Let's take a look at the website. Oh, look at how many they have in circulating supply, though. 2 billion. I don't know. This could be a $10 coin one day. It's this one of all of them has the most potential to be a strong company that's around for a long time, but it's a safe play. It's not necessarily going to be the one where you're going to walk away, as a wealth builder like something like Bitquince can be, in my opinion, or Patientory, or Golem. So the backbone of IoT is here. Now it does in that way if the Tangle Ledger proves to be something that is really special, then it does have it has that Bitcoin type appeal where it's the first one It's the revolutionary, so that could be something to watch out for. So it could be a wealth builder, really, but you'd have to invest a lot more than $100 to make it really build wealth for you. In this new autonomous machine economy, IOTA will be the backbone. The Tangle Ledger is able to settle transactions with zero fees, so devices can trade exact amounts of resources on demand, as well as store data from sensors and data loggers securely and verified on the ledger. A whole bunch of fancy talk, smart energy grid. Check these guys out, dig in, do some homework, do your research. IOTA. I do hold a position here too, of course. And this one I really like. I like it for many reasons. InvestFeed. I'm actually going to buy some more of this real soon. This one here, I'm totally, just like Bitcoins, I'm totally cool with this one being low as I continue to build up my position. Every time I get paid, I'm like, all right, time to move some over to Bitcoins, time to move some over to InvestFeed. Of all these, the one that I do not hold a position on is actually Moneta. And the reason I don't hold a position on Moneta is because it is fairly difficult to get, because I'm not with most of those exchanges. And I would not be with rivets if it wasn't for participating in the ICO. But InvestFeed is on Cryptopia, Coin Exchange, EtherDelta. So it's out there. If we just look at the charts, hasn't had its moment of glory yet. Okay, so with this one, what I'm doing is I'm going to stock up on a core position, and then I'm going to wait for a big pop. Look at this, 191 million. Oh my goodness. Guys, this one has potential. I am happy about this. Let's go take a look at the website. I've already set up an account, but you can not gonna be able to log in actually. I'd have to log in. But if you check it out, go ahead and set up an account and look around. There's actually real engagements. You can tell a social media platform by the amount of people that are engaging, liking posts, commenting, just like Facebook, just like Twitter. As long as there's engagement happening, then it's real. And InvestFeed, even though it's just in its beginner phase, InvestFeed actually has nice engagement, and that's impressive. And it's a social media for crypto investors. So obviously same kind of approach as it goes from 1% adoption to 10% adoption. Just think everyone's going to be on InvestFeed. Everyone at some point in time, if this one takes over as the primary, which it's in position to do, every cryptocurrency investor is going to be on this and Steemit. Now Steemit's over $1, so it's not on this list. But that's what we're looking at with this one here. This one here is amazing. Check it out. I like the social media thing because I've seen what it's done in our world as it is. How so many people are using it doesn't necessarily mean that it's, whatever your opinion about how healthy it is for society, it's happened. And I think some people would say that the politics side of social media is kind of what brings them down. But in this case, maybe there'll be politics on there as people talk about FUD and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, it's going to be about trading and crypto stuff that you guys enjoy and that I enjoy. So that's why I would go there, because it's where I'm hanging out here on YouTube and stuff. So InvestFeed, take a look at that. Now, if I just wanted to throw some extras in there that are trading that are trading over $1, I'll just throw some in there just real quick. Steemit, take a look at that one. I mentioned that previously a minute ago. I like this one. I like 10x, which is like Moneta. Hasn't really had its pop. 10x. So these are just some other coins that I'm keeping an eye on. Although these are over $1, they're still in that range where we like it, you know. $2, $1. So anyways, guys, share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about these 7 coins under $1. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like. My name's Jeff, Altcoin Buzz.